What's going on, everybody? I got the Chinese Yngwie Stratocaster out of storage. This guitar is totally stock, except for these plastics being changed. Stock pickups, everything. I just wanted this look because these come with pickups that say noiseless on them, and they're not. I don't know why they use those covers. They're just ceramic single coils. By the way, here I am, so you know who's talking to you. Anyways, I'll show you an issue here. These pickup covers, this is supposed to be 52 millimeter spacing. This should be a 50, and I think that's a 49. Well, the problem is, these covers that you get are all 52. So what I had to do is I had to take a Dremel and actually move the hole over. It just kind of gives the guitar this bad look. I got this set right here. These are cream, but the color isn't exactly the same. This is the 52-50-49 set that I got for it. I'm debating whether to leave the colors all the way the same or just put these on and then not have to worry about the oversize, and it'd be slight mismatched color. You can really see the difference right there. This is like a darker yellow, aged white. These are more cream with a pink to them. On a true vintage guitar, these will age differently. So I guess this video, we're going to go ahead and put the cream covers on it. With these covered up, it looks great. I guess if I just totally don't like it once it's done, we can just put the other ones back on it. Okay, so if you do a pickup cover change on a Stratocaster, one thing you might want to do is check the pickup height, of course, so you'll be able to put them back where they were. I'm going to fret this thing about the 15th and see where they're sitting. I know you metric guys hate the American system here. I need to buy a metric micro ruler. Bass side, we're at 3/32. Treble side is the same. Bridge pickup's a little closer. Let's fret it at the last fret. See what's going on here. Okay, we got it. And I always put the middle pickup flush with the pickguard. So let's go ahead and get these strings off. It needs new strings anyways, and change these covers. Yay. Here's a little closer look for you to see what's going on with the covers that I modified. The slide on the phone's really screwing the picture up. Sorry about that. Okay, so those of you who hadn't seen my other video where I put these on, I'm going to take these pickguard screws out and you'll see what it looks like underneath if you wanted to see what these Chinese guitars look like underneath the pickguard. There's a little lip right here for the 22nd fret. You kind of have to lift up and pull back. Now, I did write on this guitar. Some people were giving me crap about this, like, oh, that guitar ain't worth even writing on. You're stupid. But I just put the date that I got it on here, which is 8/8/17. I just wrote a little message here and signed it. So that's what it looks like underneath. This is the pickguard assembly underneath. This is all in my other video also. There's the ceramic bars for the pickups. These pickups actually sound pretty good. I mean, I know it may be beneficial to change these out to DiMarzio's or something, or Duncan's, but I like the way these sound, and why spend the money, really? I just have other stuff I need to be spending money on, budget-wise, than, you know, a $200 set of DiMarzio's or something, which is more than I paid for the whole guitar. So what you do is I just take these out. These are the height adjustment screws. Just take these out one at a time and change the cover. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of have to pay attention to how this comes out, of course. You got the springs here that keep pressure, you know, that keep the downward pressure on the pickup. You kind of have to hold two springs with one hand to get them started again. I'm just going to start from the front, drop them all down. There, the pickups are dropped out. You can see these springs sort of just fell wherever. Kind of need to keep track of where these springs are. They usually stick right to the pickups and stuff. So let's see if these covers will fit. Because if they don't, I'm gonna put the other ones right back on it because I'm not dremeling any more covers. Okay, gotta figure out which one's which. So you can see this one doesn't fit here. This one doesn't fit here. And it fits perfectly right there. So that's the 49 millimeter. Okay, let's see what this one is. That fits perfect, so there's the 50. This one fits perfect there, so it's the 52. So that is correct. These actually fit awesome. This 52 even fits this better than the Fender 52. There was a little bit of gap still in the Fender 52. Cool. So let's button this thing back up. Basically, put these things back in the way we took them out. It just requires holding those springs in place till you get the screw started. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Due to the way these wires are laying, it's usually better to get the bridge up first, then the middle, then the neck. And then it's the reverse taking them out. Neck, middle, bridge. Less tangle with the wiring that way. This takes a lot of patience. Just be real patient. You'll get it. If you be impatient with this, you'll get pissed and smash it to pieces. Trust me. Just stay calm. Once you get these screws started, you're good. You can stop fighting the springs, you know, holding them in place. Now we need to check the wiring, and this is how it was. And let's try to put this back in here. Make sure all the wiring's out of the way. Remember your 22nd fret lip if you happen to have one. Everything is clearing here. Hey, check this out. That actually don't look bad at all. And there's no more Dremel holes showing. All right, so I'm gonna go and put the screws back in here and restring the guitar and everything. Gonna be restringing it with Diodario 9 through 42. I'll restring this thing and be back. This thing looks great, sounds great, got it back together. It's an awesome guitar, dude. No problems with it whatsoever. I put some work into it, but I've had it, what, a year and a half now? I have a whole playlist of this guitar if you wanted to check that out. A lot of people seem to be interested in these. By any means, I'm not endorsing these or trying to advertise them, but this one's killer, never getting rid of it. I'm real happy with the way it turned out. Sorry I didn't go live this week, guys. I either go live or upload a video every Tuesday at 11 a.m. So you can catch my live stream. Usually I go live. Just got this out of storage, thought I'd do a video working on it a little bit. Maybe it's boring to some of you, but I've had some requests to do some repair videos, so there you go. Well, everybody have a good week. I appreciate you stopping by. Subscribe if you want. But yeah, if you turn on the notification bell, you'll get notified when I go live on Tuesdays at 11. You can come in and hang out. We just chilling in there, man. So just come in and hang out. A couple regulars in there. We got Teddy's in there. So yeah, everybody have a good week. See you later.